welcome into the channel. Today's topic for discussion is going to be a quick little rant that I have, but obviously been reading, doing some daily things around the office, just looking at our goals and where we're projected to go in this fourth quarter. I just want to know, do you know exactly what you want? And I know this is kind of a question, right? You say, I want to be successful in real estate, but truly, do you want to be successful, right? And what is it that you're trying to achieve in your success? When you're talking about you want to be successful, what is successful to you? Do you know what successful to you looks like, right? Because any of us can be successful, right? But if that's ultimately not the life that you want to live 5, 10, 15 years down the line, even this last quarter, will you ultimately become a success, right? So they say idle mind is a devil playground. Essentially what they're saying is if you don't have a plan, you're going to fail, right? If you don't have a plan for the day, if you don't have a plan for the next minute, you're going to fail, right? We look at this business, and for years I've been in the business and done what other people deem to be successful transactions. And yes, there was some successes. There were some failures along the way as well. But essentially, what I've been able to do here as of late is get clear on what we actually want. And then once you get clear on what you actually want, you put a plan together and you're gonna make it happen, right? But 9 times out of 10, too many people really don't know what they want. So they jump into real estate and think, okay, since I'm here, I'm gonna actually achieve something, right? We're gonna do a deal, we're gonna do this deal, we're gonna do this sub two, we're gonna do this wholesale, we're gonna do this fix and flip. Well, I got a listing, right? I'm a property manager as well. Well, if your goal was to just be a jack of all trades, you accomplish it. But if your goal was to actually live a freedom lifestyle, ultimately where you have more time than you have, ultimately where you have more money than you have time, right? You have to change that up, because obviously you're gonna be success in everybody's eyes, but you're a workaholic as well, right? 9 times out of 10, we don't get in real estate to be a workaholic. That don't mean I don't spend a lot of time in real estate. That don't mean I don't spend a lot of time working on my business. But essentially what you gotta do is you gotta be very, very serious about what you want to achieve in this particular business. And you gotta know what you want, right? So let's look at it. We wanna make $100,000 this month from wholesale properties, right? Not in real estate, but just wholesale properties. What we gotta do? Well, if I know every 45 leads, yes, 45 leads that come in my business, we typically get a contract, right? If you know 45 leads come in your business, and you want to do 100 deals, you want to do $100,000 and your profit margin is about $15,000 to $20,000 of that. Let's just make it simple, $10,000. That way, easy math. If it's $10,000 every deal we do, and 60% of our properties close, well, we got to go back and reverse engineer that. So if I want 10 deals to close, 60% of them fall off. So essentially, I probably got to get close to 15, 18 contracts in order to be seen, in order to close 10 at $10,000 profit. So in order to get 18 contracts, how many leads am I gonna have to bring in? 18 times 45, right? 18 times 45 is not a matter of if I wanna be successful. If we're bringing in 18 times 45 as far as leads, that's almost 1,000 leads. I don't know exactly what it is, but 18 times 45 is a whole heck of a lot of leads. If you're bringing in 700, 800 leads a month, you're going to be successful. You're going to have some success. What is that going to require you from a marketing standpoint? Okay, as every lead I generate is $10 a lead, right? I got to spend $8,000. I got to allocate $8,000 this month for marketing just to bring that amount of money in, just to get that amount of leads to come in, right? A lot of people don't think about these particular costs when they're talking about actually hitting that goal and actually having it achievable for you in your business. So you gotta get specific as far as what you want. And then when you know what you want, you work like heck to go get it, right? So what we need to do, we need to turn up some marketing, because the marketing is gonna bring the lead is gonna generate the offer is gonna generate the contract is gonna generate the close, right? So get very specific on what you want. This business, I promise you, it will give it to you. But if you don't necessarily know what you want in this business, I promise you, it won't give it to you. You'll end up drifting. And the reason why you drift is because you don't know where you are. You're thinking you're doing the right thing, but you don't really know what you're trying to achieve. So in that process, you end up losing everything because you haven't just figured out what you want, right? 98% of people wake up every day and not know what they're gonna do tomorrow. 98%. Call it drifters, right? Same thing with employee mindset. People that want a paycheck every 2 weeks. If you get a paycheck every 2 weeks, it allows you to drift. When you're an investor, when you know that the money comes in, a big hit, and then it kind of smooths off. A big hit, and it kind of smooths off, right? When you're an investor and your money is coming in like that, you know every day you wake up, you got to be on a set schedule. And the more that is on a set schedule, the more opportunities you get to make money. And ultimately, that money comes in on a consistent basis. But ultimately, you have to know exactly what you want. And that's the problem with the world right now. Nobody knows what they want. They want somebody to go out there and tell them exactly what they want. So it's just a little quick rant out of that. I know I took it a lot further than what I was supposed to take it. But my question is, do you know what you want? Do you know what you want out of life, out of business, out of everything? Because until you get clear on that, you will never be able to go out and get exactly what you're looking to get. So with that being said, my name is Jordan Aubrey. I know if you guys are new here, this is the first time hearing it. My name is Jordan Aubrey. I'm a real estate investor. Been there for 4 years. And this is a YouTube channel, Real Estate Investing Done Right. We talk about all things real estate investing, personal finance, credit, anything you possibly think of. We talk about it here in order for you to win and make more money in your life and make life always a lot easier for you. If you want to hear anything, make sure you drop comments below. That way I can get with you, figure it out for you. And if you want more of this content, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep winning.